The importance of having a reliable and effective sprinkler system for firefighting cannot be overstated, especially in densely populated areas like Marathahalli, Bangalore. This is where Scon Design India Private Ltd comes in. With their extensive experience and expertise in designing and installing fire safety systems, they are the go-to choice for implementing a sprinkler system for firefighting in Marathahalli, Bangalore. Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the unique challenges and requirements of fire safety in urban areas, and they have developed innovative solutions to address these issues. Their sprinkler system for firefighting is designed to detect and extinguish fires at the earliest stage, minimizing damage and saving lives. By integrating advanced technology with their knowledge of local regulations and standards, Scon Design ensures that their systems are not only effective but also compliant with industry guidelines. One of the key advantages of Scon Design's sprinkler system for firefighting is its versatility. They offer a wide range of sprinkler heads that can be customized to suit different types of buildings and environments. Whether it's a residential complex, commercial building, or industrial facility, Scon Design can design a sprinkler system that meets the specific needs of the space. Their team of experts will assess the layout, occupancy, and potential fire risks of the building to determine the most suitable sprinkler system design. In addition to their expertise in designing and installing sprinkler systems, Scon Design also offers comprehensive maintenance and support services. They understand that a well-maintained sprinkler system is crucial for its effectiveness in case of a fire emergency. Therefore, they provide regular inspections, testing, and maintenance to ensure that the system is always in optimal condition. When it comes to fire safety, having a reliable and effective sprinkler system is crucial. In Marathahalli, Bangalore, one company that specializes in designing and installing top-notch sprinkler systems for firefighting is Scon Design India Private Limited. With their expertise and experience in the field, they have become a trusted name in the industry. A sprinkler system for firefighting is a critical component of any building's fire protection system. It is designed to automatically detect and extinguish fires by releasing water from sprinkler heads strategically placed throughout the building. This helps to control the spread of fire, minimize damage, and provide valuable time for occupants to evacuate safely. Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of a well-designed sprinkler system. They have a team of highly skilled engineers who specialize in designing customized firefighting solutions for different types of buildings, including residential, commercial, and industrial properties. They take into consideration factors such as building layout, occupancy type, and fire hazards to ensure